What's up, y'all? So, as promised, as the title will say, this is the Amazon order that I was talking about. This is just some stuff that I ordered recently. I ordered stuff a lot from Amazon just because with a baby, it's been hard to make it to the store. But whatever. Yeah, so like I was saying, when the baby, it's just been hard to make it to the store. So I order a lot of stuff randomly, you know, whatever we need. My favorite thing to order is what you looking at? My favorite stuff to order. Look at both of them. I see both of y'all.
I'll play on his feet.
My favorite stuff to order is his wipes and his diapers. Cause yeah, if I order ahead of time, he already be here and ready. Yeah. So the first thing I ordered was some baby vinegar. With him starting to eat baby food, you know, first foods and second foods and stuff, and the different fruits, raspberry, blackberries and stuff, I want to make sure that it's he doesn't have an allergic reaction to anything because it's trial and error, you know, and just in case he does, you know, I don't want it to be deadly and before we get to the hospital, so, you know, we got to have this on deck. So that's what's going on with this. So yeah, got that. And next we have him some toys. So actually we was about to order just this one. They have a name for it. What is it? The adorable crab pull rope or pull rope. They have that toy separately on Amazon for like $15. Babe was telling me about that. He was like, oh, I want him to have this. And so when I went on there to look and see if they had some different toys, I saw it all in a bunch for $30. I'm like, you know, you get 3-4 times the amount for twice the amount. Yeah, and it worked out. So we're gonna watch him play with these after I sterilize them. Just got a comment from YouTube that said thank you from Samantha Bunton. Thank you, girl. I gotta start doing my shout out because I really do appreciate you guys. So yeah, after I sterilize these, I'm gonna let y'all see him play with them. Look, he looking. These for you, Papa. Alright, and then lastly, my fabulous pillowcases came. Did I see the arm back there? My fabulous pillowcases came with the snowflakes on them to go with the decorations, cause yeah, that's it. This gonna pretty much top off everything. I might get some stockings, I don't know, cause we're gonna be wrapping his gifts. I don't know. We might do stockings for each other, just some little cute little gifts, because we really don't want much for Christmas. Babe, do you want something for Christmas?
Sorry.
No, for real. Do you want something? You know, I know that's a generic answer. You know what? You don't know. Yeah, so. And as you can see in the back, the picture is done. That's what I'm gonna say about that. I wasn't gonna put it up. Baby told me to because he acted proud of it, right?
Yeah, nah, that big old hard.
So I appreciated it. So I just let it stay up there. It don't look too bad. It don't look too great, but it don't look too bad.
It's awesome.
Thanks, boo. What it do, Woman Fam? It's your girl Netta back with another video. Hey. So today we're gonna be DIYing that canvas photo or picture that I had on the wall that I told you guys about that I haven't finished. So far, all I did was add the plaster on. I used 2 different types of plaster. The first one cracked up really bad, and then the last one was smooth. It's the pink color one that turns white. That's the best one. But yeah, now it's time for me to paint it. Regularly, I would have liked to leave it just like this, the color of the plaster, but because I used 2 different ones and the first one I used cracked up the greatest, it wasn't, I was gonna look past that actually. The main problem was that my walls are white and that blended right in. It looked terrible. So we're gonna try to paint it today, and y'all see the paint in the brushes.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
Let me say this. When it comes to this picture, it's not hideous, but it's ugly. It's not sometimes ugly stuff look good. I don't know if that's gonna be the one, but you know. And y'all got some suggestions, let me know. Cause we definitely gonna put this bad boy up on the wall. Dang. Like this one's like I should make some ornaments or something. I played. Alright then, bye y'all. Happy Vlogmas Day 3. You guys will get an update of this thing tomorrow once it's dry. Maybe it might look good on the wall. I don't know. Oh well, alright.